the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here the PhD notification is announced from the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kurnool. So in this government college, here the PhD notifications are announced. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So after entering into this one, you just scroll down, and here you can check the admission to the PhD program full time. So here the one beautiful thing is that whoever got the full-time PhD seat in this college, then they are going to get the stipend compulsory. Okay, so click on this one, then you will be directed to the notification regarding this PhD. So here admission to the PhD program full-time commencing in September 2020, and coming to the departments. The departments are departments and eligibility, both these two are given here. So computer science, MTech with GATE exam anytime. Electronics and communications also, master's degree in MTech with the GATE qualification. And similarly, mechanical and for mathematics and physics. So for mathematics and physics, candidates must have qualified any one of the GATE or UGC, CSIR or NBHM or Inspire Fellowship, and same thing to the physics also. And applicants holding the bachelor's degree can able to directly go for the PhD if they satisfy these conditions. And coming to the PhD program, so the admission with financial assistance, that means you are going to get the admission with some stipend here, and the stipend is also very good here. So the scholars admitted to the PhD program under full-time are eligible for the half-time teaching or research assistantship under the following regulations. The scholar should work for at least 8 hours per week to earn this assistantship, and a renewal of the assistantship every semester will be contingent on enrollment, satisfactory progress in the research work, and good performance during the preceding semester in the discharge of responsibility as teaching or the research assistant. So here you can check that for the first and second year you are going to get a 31,000 rupees per month, and for the third year to the fifth year you are going to get 35,000 rupees per month. And in the third to fifth year, the fellowship is based upon the external assessment and the completion of the successful completion of the 2 years. Okay, so for these categories, that means even though if you qualified for the UG Senate assistant professor, generally if you don't have the UG Senate JRF qualification, we don't get the stipends. But here this college is providing the stipend for the UG Senate assistant professor qualification also. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity. It is a very good and wonderful opportunity, and the selection procedure is based upon the written test or the interview. Fine, and if the written test is there, then the syllabus is based upon the GATE 2020, and everything is given here how to apply. Interested and eligible candidates shall shall forward their application in the prescribed format along with the self-attested copies of their GATE scorecard, education and experience certificates, online fee payment receipt in an envelope mentioning that application for PhD program, PhD admission in the department of so and so to the following address. Application fees 500 rupees for general and OBC category and 250 rupees for this category. Okay, and these are all the details. So and while coming to the important dates, I forgot to say, process starts from the 9th July and ends. The last date for receipt of application forms by speed post only. Okay, by speed post only 12th August 2020, and the web notification of shortlisted candidates for the test or interview 18th August. The tentative dates of the test or interview 27 to 31st August. Announcement of results first week of September, and the last date of seat confirmation 11th September. So the academic session is going to start from 21st September 2020 tentatively. So these are all the important dates, and if you are having any queries regarding this one, here the mail ID is provided, so you may put your query to this mail ID. Fine. Here the research areas are also given here. So utilize this opportunity, the candidates who belongs to the mentioned departments, because if you once qualify for the full-time PhD here, you are going to get a very good and wonderful stipend. So with the stipend, you can able to finish your PhD by completely focusing on your research work. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video.